morning, everybody. It is Wednesday morning. Devan and I are baling second cutting alfalfa that had an inch and a half of rain on it on Saturday. You know, it hasn't quit raining much there, but well, what are you gonna do? You can't complain. That's for damn sure. So yeah, he's got the 7600 and 569 John Deere, and I have my 7520 and my 567. And it don't take long. The Balers work and stuff. I gotta go slow here because there ain't nothing worse than plugging it up on alfalfa. It sucks. So later on today, what we're gonna do, or what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go bale some more hay, prairie hay. We cut, I'll show you. Anyway, that's what's happening this morning. We are doing that. Kevin's going to start cutting some sorghum and millet down this afternoon. We do have some alfalfa down. And, you know, it's, let's see, we've got about 100 acres of alfalfa down, I guess. And my bale's going to be crooked as shit here. But yeah, we've been lucky. It's going to be windier and shit today. It's supposed to go up to 35, 40. So I got to get my ass over to get that hay bale, that prairie hay. It's pretty damn nice stuff. Took it right out of my pack. There are no rocks in there. Nice cut. It's kind of rough, but not so bad. And what we're going to do, like I said, Devin's going to cut. We've got about 100, what do we got? 130 acres of millet. We got some alfalfa that ain't cut down yet. So, yeah, we're going to continue haying. Never quits around here, it seems like. So, that's what we're doing. Devin's coming with the 7600. That'd be his. That's a nice outfit there. I like that outfit. I like mine better. I think my baler does just as good a job, even though it is an older one. Got a billion bales. Billion bales on it, not a billion miles. Billion bales, but anyway, we're getting done. I will check with you guys back. I'll check back with you guys later.